Didn't see you. So you want to make a virus? You have come to the right place.
So, you want to learn how to make a virus? To do that, you need to learn the basics of how to create, open, write to, append to, and read from a file in Python. So as you can see on the left screen here, I have created a code. The basics of this code is we create a file. Okay, but we create a variable and name it file name in this case. And we write open parenthesis, and we give the name of that file. We give it file name.txt, comma, and then we wrote w, all both under apostrophes. So what the w means here is we're going to write to a file. Since this file doesn't exist yet, Python will open the file and then write to it. What will it write? This line, file name.write. This is how you create a file in Python, right? So once we write to it, we have to close the file. Okay, let's run it. See, the file has been run, and you can see on the right screen here, file name.txt, a new file has been created. Ta-da! And say you want to overwrite this file, write something else. You just take file name.write and just write something else, such as oh, sorry. Yes. Run it again, and as you can see, the file name.txt has been overwritten with Mushiko series. Great. On to the next part. Say you want to keep the original contents of the file and add something new. So to do that, you have to append to it. Appending and writing is basically the same thing, except for instead of writing W when you open the file, you just write A. A stands for append, and then you write the new line you want to append to it. So if you run this, you can see that the new file has been appended to the original content of the file. So now, maybe you want to write this line over here instead of right beside to it. So to do that, it's very simple. Just add a /n to the appended line and just run it. And as you can see here, the appended code is now written to the new line. And to read from that file, you basically open that file in read mode, which is specified by this R. Put the contents of that file in a variable and then print that variable. So if we run this, see, simple. Now to move on to how to make a virus. Okay, now moving on to the virus. The virus is very simple. You just copy this code into someone's computer and that's it. That's literally it. I'll keep it for you here. You can just type it out. The most basic thing about this is every time, like while this variable is true, the program will continue to keep on creating and opening and writing to a file in Python. This will continue forever until the program is closed. So instead of something, we can write that, and then we run it. And if you run it, if you look onto the right hand screen, ba-bam, and it's still going on. It's only been what, 10 seconds, and already more than 14,000 files are there. Just look at it go. Wow. So again, this is the code. This is it. Wait, my PC is crashing. Now that I've closed the program, sorry, you can see that there are over what, 30,000 text files over here. So just imagine, and this has only been what, 20 seconds. Like imagine if you keep it running for what, 10 minutes, 1 minute. It's like, that's it. That's the virus, guys. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
And that's how you make a virus.